Hey guys, another video from IWF here. This time we're running into Garrett from IDC Woodcraft. Had a good conversation with him. Check it out. Hey, it's Charles here at IWF 2024. Ran into Garrett from IDC Woodcraft.
What's going on?
Stopped out here at the Vectric booth. A user of his bits. I've got a lot of them. They are phenomenal products. I absolutely love them. So I want to track you down. I've got some of them. I've got your the Badger, the Beast, your 3/4 surfacing bit, 90 and a 60-degree V bits.
Okay, yeah.
They're all great stuff.
Got all the basic stuff.
Got all the basic stuff, absolutely. So just wanted to see how you were doing. Wanted to run into you, talk to you.
We've been walking all around the show here, getting to meet some people, and
yeah,
running into guys like you.
Absolutely,
and
yeah.
Just
what's the coolest thing you've seen so far? The Shaper.
The Shaper Origin.
You're a fan?
Well, I've never had. A lot of people have asked about that.
Yeah.
Right, and so I saw that. I asked them if they would show me how those things work, and I was absolutely floored. So
yeah, I actually just had a little quick demo of that. They're pretty impressive.
Yeah. But then of course you got my Vector guys here. So
yeah,
so
I had to stop and see them.
Right. So you got a Shipoko, right?
Got a Shipoko, yes sir.
Okay, and which one?
4x2, the 5 Pro.
Okay, all right, sweet.
Yeah,
so you got a good machine.
Great machine.
Yeah.
It's a lot smarter than I am.
Right.
So I got it about 6 weeks ago. So I started out with one of the little the 3018.
Oh, you got a little starter machine.
That was enough for me to get the bug. I got bit and talked to Greg with STL, and he pointed me towards Shipoko.
Oh, great. Had Greg on the channel. He's a super helpful guy, by the way.
Oh, he's a great guy. Great guy. Yeah, I jumped on I saw the live with you guys the other night.
Yep, so, that spontaneous live we did, right?
Yeah, that was good. I enjoyed it.
So where are you out of?
Knoxville, Tennessee.
Okay. All right, not too far away from it.
Not too far, yeah. We're about 3.5 hours driving, so not bad. Now, where are you guys out of?
Well, Madison, Indiana.
Madison, Indiana, a little further away.
Yeah. So what got you into the woodworking stuff? Into the CNC stuff?
So I started out just doing some basic woodworking. Really started out with DIY projects around the house.
Yeah.
I really like making sawdust. It was very therapeutic.
Okay.
Then I wanted to do some more intricate stuff. Found the CNCs, hooked up with Greg, and he kind of gave me the fever. So
all right, another man jump on board. Sweet.
Yep, absolutely.
He's got Mama back there. It's like, okay, got to do it, babe.
Oh yeah, she's my biggest fan, #1 supporter right there.
Yeah. Very cool. So you got a channel going?
Yeah, we're about to launch it. We've started it. One of these will be the first videos on the channel.
Okay.
YouTube and Instagram both at StarWoodworkingCreations.
Okay. All right. So
where can we find you at?
What's that? Oh, IDC Woodcraft.
IDC Woodcraft?
Yeah, just search out on YouTube. So, if you're watching this, subscribe to the man's channel. Help him grow, right? This is what we do. We help each other out. So, this guy's getting started. We got to help him out. Hit the subscribe button. And the like button.
And the like button. And go check out Garrett at IDC Woodcraft. He's a great instructor. Will teach you everything you need to know. I've watched almost all of his videos and learned a lot from him. Garrett, I appreciate your time, sir. Enjoy the rest. It's really great talking to Garrett. It's nice to finally meet him. Been using his stuff for quite a while now, so it was great to finally get to meet him in person. That's going to wrap this one up. Make sure you check out the IWF 2024 playlist up here, as long as some other project videos I know you'll enjoy right here.